Hey loves, welcome to my channel and what's up? So I'm jumping right into this video. For those of you that don't know, my name is Naturally Curla and welcome to my channel. So I do have some heat damage. I'm just going to show you real quick. As you can see how I've always had a looser texture in the front, but towards the front you can see how it's loosened a lot since using getting my hair straightened. And that was like over a few times getting my hair straightened. Now I have had my hair cleaned up, a lot of the damage cut out, and I did some face framing in the front because I didn't want to get bangs. So the face framing was just easier to do. So that's just how we're looking. It doesn't look as bad, but that's because it's just not brushed out. But you can see the difference in how thin those two pieces are versus how everything else is just fuller and more uniform and how looser that curl is. But anyway, so these are the products that I personally like to use to maintain my hair. I've got into the Deva Curl products CURLBOND, and I really like that line. The line is for penetrating your hair inside and out, repairing your hair inside and out. So pretty much it does an amazing job. Like, I like to use the conditioner first, and then I do the cleanser, and then I use their deep conditioning mask treatment. Again, this is a repair line. It's for if you have damaged hair, heat damage, color damage. That's just what it's for. It relinks broken bonds. It helps improve the strength of your hair. It protects your hair from future damage and helps maintain the shine. Um, this is not a sponsored video. I'm just showing you my preference for what I've been using lately. Ever since I colored the back of my hair, I haven't been able to put this product line down. But these products are also very expensive. So if you do not want to pay for them, I will show you some other go-to products that are my go-tos for deep conditioning, protein, or cholesterol treatments. So I like this line just because you can really feel the difference in your hair. And again, I like to sit under the dryer. So I'm just taking my hair down after I washed and conditioned it. Now again, I like to use a conditioner first, and then I like to cleanse my hair. So it's like I'm co-washing my hair first. That is the Repair Bond that I'll be using as my hair treatment for today. I'm just showing you my nails, cute. But yes, that is the Repair Bond that I'll be using today as my deep conditioner treatment. Now my other two favorites is the cholesterol from Camille Rose Naturals Repair Treatment and her protein treatment. If your hair is very sensitive to protein, I would say use this protein treatment once a month, or just use the cholesterol treatment and do that twice a month. And I promise you will see a difference in your hair. Also, just to make sure, if you don't have any issues with your hair, don't go doing too much, because you can over moisturize your hair and cause damage as well. So if you're one of the people that like to sleep in the mask, or if you like to over deep condition your hair, like you do it too much in the week and you're starting to see a difference in your hair, you're not trying to figure out what's wrong with it. It's because you're adding too much either protein or too much treatments to too much moisture to your hair, and you're overdoing it. So that is a thing, and you can damage your hair by over moisturizing it as well. So either doing too little can cause damage, or doing too much can cause damage. It's really, natural hair journey is about finding a really good medium. So I deep conditioned my hair for under dryer for like 15 minutes, and then I did 2 flat twists in my hair. So this is my hair the next day. It is dry. I let it air dry overnight. Now I'm going to use my Rev Hair air dryer, which is a heatless hair dryer. It does have a heat setting, but I'm using the cool setting just to blow out my hair for some length, because I do like to be able to stretch my hair out. I prefer stretch styles. I'm not, especially around the fall winter time, I'm not really heavy on wet sets. So this is why I am doing that, because the style I'm going to be doing is I want more length. So that's what I'm doing. Or you can also, if you do not have the Rev dryer, which most people don't, you can just blow dry your hair on a cool setting, and you can just do a comb through it and stretch it out. That works as well. Or get a attachable comb to your dryer. I promise you, my hair gets so straight when I use my comb attachment for my hair dryer. Like, it doesn't get any straighter than that. But this right here, this little beauty right here, it's expensive, but if you have the $2.99 to get it, girl, go ahead, because when I say it does what it's supposed to do. Now, my plan for my hair is just to transition out and grow my hair out and cut as I go. So I have no problem doing that. It's not a big deal to me, but because it's again my journey and it's my hair. It's nothing for me to get upset about. I was a little annoyed when I first seen the heat damage, because it was like, oh my god, I finally, got rid of the color damage, and now heat damage. You know how that goes. But that's the thing with natural hair. It's a process, it's a journey, and I'm trying to enjoy it. So it is what it is. Now I'm just twisting my hair in the front. I'm not doing a flat twist. It's just regular twisting it up in the front. That is it. And then I'm going to add some perm rods in the back for a more curly kind of fro. Sorry if you can hear my dogs. I think the mailman is here. It's around that time, so they got beef. So he has to let himself, he has to let him know what's up. You're just a strange man that always drops off mail but don't say hello. They got some beef. Anyway, but again, I also want to just talk to you about it's my product preference. I know a lot of people have had some issues with Deva Curl in the past. I haven't had issues with Deva Curl in the past, nor has my mom. My mom beat breast cancer, and she loves Deva Curl. Like, she absolutely loves the brand. So I can only speak on my experience. I understand that they have issues, and if you choose to not purchase their products, that is fine. That's your choice, and that's for you. I can only speak on the fact that I really like these products. So this is what I'm using right now. Okay, so because I was rambling, I forgot to talk to you about my hair. The this part of my head. So I sprayed my hair with water first, and then I used a lot of body foam. That was my preference for this set, because a lot of body foam does do a great job of giving me the curl that I want, a light fluffy curl with hold, as well as that my hair dries faster when I use a lot of body, because some products just, I don't know, they just have so much water that my hair just retains the water and can take forever to dry. And I'm using the edge booster on my hair because my ends were unraveling a lot. And even with using a lot of body, how sticky it wasn't, and my hair was still unraveling. Like, the more hair I used on a rod, it wasn't really sticking to the rod, I mean. So I just use some edge control, which is the edge booster, just to help me keep it secure, keep my ends secure from unraveling. And that's really it. I'm going to sit on the dryer for about an hour, hour and a half, and then I'm going to take my hair down. Yes, I'm just going to separate my hair. Now I'm using the Cream of Nature Shine, I believe, hair serum. I can't really remember exactly which one it was. I'll write everything I use in the description box below, so you'll know what I used. But I'm just pulling my hair apart, and just in really small pieces, just so I know the back is going to be really, really full when I pick my hair out. Ooh, those curls are looking so good. I was really happy with the results. And yes, my hair has been growing. A lot of you have been asking me what I've been doing. Honestly, just really leaving my hair alone. If you pick up a good protective style that, you know, that allows you to get moisture into your hair and leave your hair alone. That's really just all it is. Leaving your hair alone, keeping up with your trims. I say every 3 to 6 months, you know, once or in the past, when I didn't put heat in my hair at all, I probably trimmed my hair twice a year. But because I do like to blow dry my hair and I do use heat, every 3 to 4 months, I like to keep up with my trims. And it's literally just an inch that I cut. So within that, my hair is still growing, but I'm also just trying to maintain and keep my length as well and prevent breakage. So I'm just combing and picking it upwards so I can make the back a little bit more frizzy so I can get this full look. Thanks for watching my video. Let me know what your thoughts are below, and thanks again for watching. Bye.